As we count down to the regular session of today, the 9th of November 2023, we can see that ASTR stock is up 81 point, roughly 82%, and rising steadily and progressively. Even though I can actually see that the angle of attack on this 1 minute chart is quite a steep one. So as things stand right now on this 1 minute charts, momentum is trying to improve from the highs that it was at earlier on. So the stock reached the levels of around 1.3923. That will easily make it approximately close to 100%, not 100%. So so far from what we can see here on this 1 minute chart. So the news, I think, is that it's indicated here that, let's see, this is Astra founders. Let's see, Astra founders look to snap up a rocket firm for a fraction of its 2021 valuation. The founders, Chris Kemp and Adam London, proposed to acquire the small rocket maker once valued at more than $2 billion for $27.8 million, according to a regulatory filing on Thursday, that's today, the 9th of November. The offer price of $1.5 per share represents a premium of around 103% based on the stock's closing price yesterday, the 8th of November. The company's shares, which surged 50% in this pre-market, have fallen 99.6% since the company went public in 2021 after a few mission failures and delays in test flights in an industry dominated by Elon Musk's SpaceX. So in August, Astra laid off a quarter of its workforce and diverted focus from its rocket launch program, which was once a core part of its business, to satellite propulsion systems. Astra went public after merging with SPAC in a deal that valued the firm at $2.1 billion. The company was considering selling a 51% stake in its space propulsion business, among other strategic sale options. Okay, this is what we are looking at right now. So the founders are trying to take a stake or buy back something like that for $1.5. So okay, let's drill deep down to the 1 day chart, or rather 45-minute chart, even 5-minute chart, and see. Let's get an idea of what's been going on. So $1.5 is what they mentioned. Okay, so it hasn't reached that level so far. 1.39 is what we are looking at, that it printed at some point. This is the 5-minute chart. Okay, let's look at the 45-minute chart. I'm not sure we're going to see anything higher than that. No, we don't. 1.32. Okay, let's get down to the daily chart and see. Yeah, this is expected. Sideways, lost all its value since the best part of this year. Yeah, upper projection we have here is around 3.23. Strength is, I believe, is projected for up to Thursday, the 16th of November. Okay. So let's see what's going on the order book for ASTR. 16.835 million shares have crossed the tape so far in this session. Okay, some are projecting that it might reach 1.59. We can see that here. Some are saying that are preparing for a plunge all the way down to $1.04, 1.59. Okay, 17.01 million shares have crossed the tape so far. Okay, so let's quickly move on to OCX. Oncosite Corp up 20.19%. This is the order book. Only a few shares have crossed the tape, 5,376. Let's see whether we can get anything on OCX. Okay, this is the 1 day chart. Projections, we have it's a downward projection of 0.1282, but there's an upper projection even above where it is right now on this daily chart of 3.07. And then the projections keep going up all the way towards 7.78. Below that we have 5.72, and below that we have 4.98, and then we have 4.39, and then we have 3.95. Yeah, for OCX, not a lot. Okay, let's see, there might be some news out there. Okay, on Coastside Corp, reduced the cash burn to $3.6 million in the third quarter. Yeah. So strength is projected up till Thursday, the 16th of November. Shorts at $3.22. Current, where is it trading at right now? It's trading at 2.02 at the moment, 2.46 at the moment. Okay, so let's quickly have a look at CREV. Okay, it's CREV. I want to believe it's let's see, what's the news? Carbon Revolution up 24% pre-market, following a 30% drop in regular trading session yesterday. Carbon Revolution. Yeah, that's there's no news as such. Yes, it's just rebound. It's just rebounding from the lows of yesterday. So that's yeah, at some point it reached $91.26. Is that right here? 91.62. Yesterday it reached the highs of I believe it's spark related. So it's plunging from those highs, that high. Am I looking at the right chart here? 56.37. Is this the right? Let me see. 6 CREV. Let's see. CREV. Carbon Revolution. Okay, yeah, that's the right chart. So 22.17% is the gain. Okay, so let's see. $79. Yeah, preparing. Some market participants are preparing for a move towards those levels. $79. Yeah, it has already actually at some point, and yesterday it reached as of Tuesday actually it reached $90.68. So 78.82 is what is projected here, what is speculated here, even. And then the lows of around $59 is also projected or speculated. Carbon Revolution Limited. I think we don't have any news concerning the stock. No substantial news. So this is the one-day chart. So it's definitely a spark stock. Yeah, so nothing fantastic as such. Projections on it. It's not been trading for been trading for a long time. So not enough data concerning it. So Yeah, see what you make of all of these stocks. Let's have a review of them. ASTR is up 85.14% as the news filtered through. Yeah, Astra founders look to snap up rocket launch firm for a fraction of 2021 valuation, and so far 17.70 millions and 70 million shares and counting have across the tape. OCX, okay, I think the shares have increased to 8,000 now. 20.67% is the gain. Let's look at the chart and see. Yeah, steep spike and then sideways movement, unlike ASTR. Okay, let's look at the CREV. Okay, 20,000 shares, up 23.49%. Okay, sideways movement so far. So see what you make of all of these, and thank you very much for watching this video.